Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the Windows recovery environment on your Windows 10 device. So basically, this is the ability to find different options such as booting into safe mode, using a USB device or Windows recovery DVD and whatnot. So this is generally enabled by default, so you really shouldn't have to change the status, but in some cases this may have been disabled, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to re-enable it. So pretty straightforward process in store for you guys today, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best match to go back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. So now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in REA GENTC space / enable. So again, REA GENTC and a space / enable. Hit enter on your keyboard. It should come back with operation successful. And now type in REA GENTC space / info and hit enter. And now it should show that it is active and that the status is enabled. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. And then you should be able to go ahead and create a recovery drive or boot your computer into the Windows recovery environment at that point. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.